In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Binance Pay. If you're looking for a fast, secure way to send crypto without typing long wallet addresses, this is for you. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along with confidence. First, open Pay inside your Binance app. You'll find the Pay section in the main menu or in the toolbar, depending on your app layout. Opening Pay brings you to Binance's built-in payment hub, where you can send crypto instantly to other Binance users. Make sure you're signed in and that your account has Binance Pay enabled and a sufficient balance in the coin you want to use. Next, tap Send. This is your shortcut to start a person-to-person payment. You're not withdrawing to an external wallet. You're staying inside the Binance ecosystem, which keeps things quick and avoids network address errors. Now enter the recipient's details. You can use their email, their phone number, or their Binance ID. This is one of the best parts of Binance Pay. You don't need a wallet address at all. Take a moment to double-check what you type, making sure there are no typos and that it matches exactly what the recipient provided. If you see their profile or display information appear, confirm it looks correct before moving on. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to send. You can pick from supported coins and stablecoins that are available in your region. If you and the recipient prefer different assets, agree on one in advance so there are no surprises. Keep in mind that prices can move, so selecting a stablecoin can be helpful if you want predictable value. Enter the amount you want to pay. Type it carefully, and if the app shows both crypto and your local currency, glance at both to ensure the value is what you intend. Make sure your available balance covers the payment and any small fee that may apply. Finally, review the summary and confirm the payment. Look over the recipient, the coin, and the amount one last time. When you're ready, approve the transaction and enter your pay PIN to authorize it. Depending on your device, you may also be prompted for biometric confirmation. After that, your payment is sent instantly, and both you and the recipient should see the update in your transaction history. That's it. You've just paid with Binance Pay. No wallet address needed, fewer mistakes, and a smoother checkout every time.